It's important to remember that any type of timber is a natural product that needs to be stored, finished and installed in a certain way. On the rare occasion that cupping and splitting can occur, it isn't a manufacturing defect and it can be avoidable with proper care. These issues can occur due to handling, storage, finishing or installation practices, but we'll show you the best ways to avoid them. Make sure you keep your timber wrapped and stored in a flat, dry surface, never on concrete until you're ready to use it. Protect them at all times from heat, weather and moisture. Once you've unwrapped your panel, it is important to seal all over it, top, bottom and all edges. This helps create a moisture barrier to ensure the panel is properly protected. Conveniently, our retail centre stocks a suitable range of finishes. Storage, handling and sealing are all important, but so is using the correct installation methods. Ensure that any fixings can accommodate the timber's natural movement. This can be achieved by using oversized holes that allow the panel to expand and contract without restriction. If you follow these steps, the timber bench tops will stay beautiful for years. You can contact our team at Ash, or all our installation guides are on the website.